It's your friend 12 over here at basemoney.io. I'm building up the page right now, trying to make it look nice for everybody. And I'm using one of the new features on Arcblock. I wanted to make a video real quick to share it with you, share how I'm using it, and maybe give you a tip for how you can quickly use it for your own web page building. All right, so check it out. When you open up your Pages kit, what you're first going to see is just one project. It's going to say unnamed project. That'll be the default one. Now I have some other ones that I've already began to build. All right, and what do I mean build? Quickly, let me show you here what the live Base Money website looks like. If you see the web page address here, basically it says basemoney.io/pages/shadow realm. All right, this is the shadow realm. If you go to the drop down menu, you see shadow realm. You can see merch. I'll go to the merch page, right? If I go to the address, same thing. It's just /merch. All right, so we build our web page in the background. We're using our Pages kit, and this is what the dashboard looks like. If I go to the home page on mine, you're going to see this dashboard opens up, and first thing it jumps to is the shadow realm, right? Over here, pages. This makes up my web page. So I build here and then I send it live, right? So here's the shadow realm in the back end. And then if I come over here to the website, go to the shadow realm, this is it, what you see on the front end, all right? So boom. So this is cool, right? So when you open up your Pages kit, you'll have one project. It'll be unnamed project. Now, I already have my home page. That's what our website's looking like. What I've now done is I've started this separate What I've now done is started a separate project here for profiles, okay? And this is really cool. So basically, it's another project where we are going to be building the user profiles for people on Base Money. I've already started to build my profile. You can see it says 12. Hey, this is my profile. I got some shadow links, some different YouTube links. So I'm building a profile here, all right? And then what does this look like live? Here's the live address. It says basemoney.io pages kit /profiles/12. So that's super pro, right? So I got the same basically address as my home page, but now I have an additional part of it that says profiles and then /12. So I'm able to name it so we could give out different profiles for people onto Base Money. Now I think this is really cool and something that has a lot of use, right? Now, what I wanted to show you, because I know you're going to be like, yo, that is so tight, 12. Thank you for showing me how to get another project up and running. It's super easy. You just hit new project, okay? You can choose a template, welcome template, or a blank template. I just chose blank. You're going to name it, so we can say test, and you can say test project, okay? And then I'll save that. Okay. Boom, it already opens up, right? So now I can start building on this thing, and you'll see if I go back to my Pages kit dashboard. All right, let me go back to my Pages kit dashboard. You'll see now I got a test one. Okay, so here's the test one, and if I click on that, now I'm working on that. Now, okay, let's just do this. I'll just do this right now. I got you right here. All right, I'll just go add section. Okay, now I'm just going to name this here for our purposes. I'm going to name this test. Okay, boom. So now you see there's a page over here as test. Okay, and I'm going to put add section, and then I'm just going to put this section card list. Okay, it's just going to be a generic section card list. There's nothing on there. I could build out this card, but pay attention because this is what I want to show you. I can deploy this out onto the internet now. This this page, I can deploy it super easy. I just go to publish, and then I go choose test. So it's going to choose this test page, and I hit publish. Okay. The question is, where did it publish it to? Right? Where did it go to? Well, I could go to preview, and I could just go to production, and it's going to take me to that page. And you can see that it's basemoney.io pages kit / this weird number, and then it says /test. So you see, that's our test. This is our test page. But unlike the others, where it was just pages kit or /profiles, where it was humanly intelligible, it's not. And so I want to show you how to make it so that it is. That's the purpose of this video. Okay. So thank you for sticking around. I'll show you how to do this. Okay. So check this out. I'm just going to go back to my pages. Here's the test page. I'm going to go back to my page kit dashboard. Okay. And I'm going to come here and I'm going to go to test. Here's my test card, right? I can go in there. I can start changing things around. But it's of no use because when I publish, it's going to be a weird name. I want it to look tight. Okay. So I want it to go to edit. You got to go to your project slug. This is important. This is that weird part that's there. So if I go to, let's say, this was going to be users. So I have profiles. Now I have users. And then project descriptions. This is users profiles. Okay. Then I'll go ahead and save this. Okay. Now when I come in here, let's do this again. Okay. Here's my test page, just like it was before. I go to publish. I go to test. I hit publish. Okay. Now I go to preview that at production. Okay. Now I'm here. Now that I'm in that live page, my section card list is live on the net, and look at what it looks like. Pages kit /users /test. So now that strange number, the slug, is personalized into users. Bam! Tell me that's not pro. This is tight. This is really, really tight. Okay? So I just got into using this. Like I said, we're starting to make profiles over at Base Money. This is what it looks like, my profile at Base Money. Right? You can come on here. You can click onto these shadows. It's going to open up to the shadow realm. So you start making beats on the BM9000. But yeah, this is our Base Money profiles. You can see it up here in the address. basemoney.io /pages kit /profiles /12. See, I made that profiles. I changed my slug so that it was now profiles, because before it was unintelligible. So now I got the multiple projects going on, where I got my profiles project, my home page. Unnamed is what you're going to see when you first jump on there. And then the test one is the one we just made. So this was a dope addition to the already dope pages kit. But honestly, I think this is a feature that Arcblock needed to embrace in order to get it into running with other modern page building kits. This is dope. Being able to isolate your projects. And now I'm trying to work on being able to passport particular projects. So I can say, all right, yeah, only certain people can get into this project. Give you a passport. And now, even within my pages kit, I'm going to have some different compartments. And I think that that's really professional and needed to stay organized and on top of your game. And that's what we're trying to do. We're trying to get our websites up and running, looking great. We're trying to get our businesses up and running, moving efficiently and moving better than they would without Arcblock. And that's what we're doing. So thanks for checking it out. This is my tip on how to use the new projects tool, how dope it is, and how to get your slug changed. It's crucial. Peace.